How to get more Airbnb reviews. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this video. Firstly, set up the stage for success. Firstly, you have to create an amazing guest experience, and here are some of the key ingredients. Accurate listing. Ensure that your listing description and photos are truthful and up to date. No nasty surprises for your guest. Sparkling space. Provide a clean, comfortable, and well-equipped space that feels like a home away from home. Clear communication. Be responsive and informative before, during, and after a guest stays. Going the extra mile. You can provide them with welcome basket. A small basket with local treats or basic necessities can delight guests. Personalized touches. Leave a handwritten welcome note or local recommendations. Exceed the expectation. Provide a little extra, like a bottle of water or local coffee, to create a wow moment. Swoop them with the communication skills. Reach out to the guests before they arrive and welcome them. Answer any questions and offer local recommendations. During the stay, check in after the first night to see if everything is okay. Guest appreciates a friendly touch. Now post-stay, you can even send a thank you note after their stay. This is a great time to gently remind them to leave a review. If not, you can gently ask them, because it is okay to ask. Don't be shy. And after thanking your guests for their stay, politely ask them to leave a review on your Airbnb profile. You can even make it easy by including a link to your review page in a thank you message for their convenience. By some of the little things, you may be able to get yourself a grand review. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.